Rivers have been pouring into the ocean for 3 billion years, billions of tons of water, every single day, without stopping. So why is the river fresh and the ocean salty? The answer is hiding 3 billion years in the past. So why is the river fresh and the ocean absolutely undrinkable? Here's something that will flip everything you think you know. Rivers are not freshwater. They contain salt. Right now, as we speak, just 0.001%, too diluted to taste. But it's there, which means the real question isn't why the ocean is salty, it's why the ocean never stops getting saltier. It all starts underground. Deep inside mountains, minerals containing sodium and chloride, the two elements of salt, have been locked in rock for millions of years. Then rain arrives, and water is patient. It finds every crack, every gap, every weakness in the stone. At a molecular level, water grabs mineral particles off the rock, including salt, and carries them away. Slow, invisible, but it never stops. Drop by drop, river by river, century by century, all roads lead to the ocean. Every river on every continent is doing this right now. The Amazon, the Nile, the Mississippi, the Yangtze, all of them, simultaneously. Together, they deliver hundreds of millions of tons of dissolved minerals to the ocean every year, and the ocean never gives it back. In a few seconds, I'll show you a place where sinking is physically impossible. Not magic, pure science. But first, why doesn't all this extra water just dilute the ocean? Because of something the ocean does that rivers never can. It evaporates, constantly, silently, ruthlessly. Water molecules are light enough to escape into the atmosphere. Salt molecules are not. Trapped, forever left behind. Every single time. Every evaporation cycle concentrates the salt a little more. A little more. A little more. 3 billion years of this gives you today's ocean, 3.5% salt. Every drop counted. And here's nature's genius, the water that evaporates from the ocean. Pure, zero salt. It forms clouds, falls as rain, feeds rivers, flows back to the sea, fresh and clean every single time. Rivers are nature's distillation system. The ocean is Earth's salt collector. One resets, the other accumulates. Forever. Remember that place I promised? Meet the Dead Sea. Rivers flow in, but there is no river flowing out. No exit, ever. Water evaporates, salt stays. Same mechanism as the ocean, but trapped in a closed system. For millions of years. The result, 33% salt. 10 times saltier than the ocean. So dense your body physically cannot sink. No fish, no plants. Nothing lives in it. Just salt, tourists, and physics. Here is a number I want you to sit with. If you took every grain of salt from every ocean on Earth and spread it across every continent, it would bury every continent under a layer 150 meters thick, taller than a 40-story building, covering every mountain, every forest, every city on Earth. The ocean isn't salty by accident. It's the result of 3 billion years of the same quiet cycle. Rocks giving up their minerals, rivers carrying them to the sea, the sun locking them in forever. Next time you drink a glass of water, remember, those molecules have been on this journey for billions of years. You're just the latest stop. Did you know rivers contained salt before watching this? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. Subscribe for more. Next week, what happens inside your body in the first 60 seconds after a virus gets in? You won't look at a cold the same way again. See you there.